So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a AI-powered SEO tool called the RankBot tool. I normally only show my high-end, high-profile clients this kind of data, but in this video, I'm going to be showing you some very cool stuff. And there's something that I have been told not to share with, the public, but because you guys are very dedicated to me, I'm going to be sharing it with you. And essentially what it is my team has collaborated with the RankBot team, and we are creating this offer where we will build out 60 days of a faceless YouTube channel for you, and you get a lifetime access membership to the RankBot tool, which is valued at $5,000, and you're going to be able to get access permanently to the RankBot tool, and you get the Money Robot University for free, absolutely free, when you get that offer. If you're interested, the link is in the description. It's only limited to a few people, so we only have 5 slots available. And essentially what that entails is you're going to get everything, including the 12K per day book. But if you stay until the end of the video, you're also going to get a free gift. So make sure to stay until the end of the video. Now, I want to show you the results that I've been getting with the RankBot tool. These results are insane. And I want to show you some of my client examples as well, and how each of the features work with the RankBot tool. Now, this tool is for high-end SEO marketers, the people that are taking it very seriously. And if you are a elite SEO expert, not just like a regular expert or just passing by, this tool is specifically built for those who are data crazy, right? So I'm gonna go into my tool right here. So I'm gonna show you exactly how each of these assets work. So I'm just going to go into RankBot tool here, and I'll show you exactly how it's been working for me. So it's been closed to the public now because we had too many signups, and there was a lot of people using it. So now it's only available if you are a serious SEO expert doing either like an agency. If you have an agency, this is great for you. If you are doing YouTube marketing, this is also great for you. So I'm going to show you each of these and how they particularly work. Now, as you see here, I'm actually in my Google Ads account, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my keyword research tool in Google Ads. So I'm going to go search for keywords. First of all, I'm going to show you exactly how I would find specific keywords that I can look for my YouTube search. So if I was, let's say I was building out a faceless YouTube channel, this is exactly what I would do. So let's say I was building out a faceless YouTube channel on, let's say, entertainment, specifically movie reviews. If it was movie highlights, like you were doing movie reviews or highlights, we would obviously look for something along that line. So right now, a popular movie is Deadpool and Wolverine that just came out. So what we can do is we can actually look for that specific keyword. So right here in my keyword planner tool, I'm gonna type out Deadpool and Wolverine, and then it's gonna give me some data, just for example purposes. So as you can see right here, we're getting broad data, right? But this is what people are searching for. So if I wanted to do, like, let's say a Marvel based channel, and I wanted to get affiliate sales for that channel, what I can do is I would look for the exact keyword here first, see what's getting a 3 months change. So you can see there's a 900+% right here. Deadpool 3 Wolverine, there's Deadpool A Wolverine. So these are decent keywords. You don't want to go for the ones with negative. You actually just want to go for the ones with positive, and what you want to do is actually just filter it out by the ones that are getting the most searches. Okay, so once you do that, then basically you're going to look for a keyword that matches the best, which is, let's say, this one right here has a high uprise, 9,000 uprise, and low competition. So what I can do is I can find that keyword, which would be a great keyword to rank for on YouTube if you are going to create a YouTube faceless channel. And then basically what I would do is I would go into my rank bot tool here and I would paste that keyword in here. And what I'll do is it'll show me different types of keywords that I can potentially rank for. But even better is when I go into the diagram tool right here, it's actually I'm gonna look for other related keywords, and as you can see, I start to find keywords that are related that have very short competition, which makes it very easy for me to create a YouTube video based on any of these keywords. So let's say I wanted to create a video on scary Wolverine variants, let's just say, or I wanted to create a video on Wolverine variants in Deadpool 3, that would be a great keyword to target. I can create a video on that. Once I have my keyword, what I can do is I can actually take this keyword, I'll click on this keyword right here. If you click on this keyword on the side right here, you see that it'll bring up more suggestions. So you see there's 100,000 monthly searches. So you can do a video on this, just talking about it. You don't even have to show any clips. You can literally just talk about it for 5 or 10 minutes, or you could hire our team and we would do it for you, and essentially you can generate all the views for that. But also what you can do is I would just take this keyword right here, put it into the keyword search again, and then search. And then it'll show you right here, more keywords that come up, right? So you can see all Deadpool, Wolverine, and these are all great keywords to go for. Top 10 nerd. So you have a bunch of keywords. This is like if you wanted to go into that niche where it was talking more about like a specific, movie. If you're doing movie reviews, top 10 movie reviews, those channels generate tens of thousands of dollars if you have a cash cow channel. I highly recommend doing that. You don't even have to show the clips. All you would need to do is just show pictures, and then that way you can escape any kind of copyright. But there is other ways to escape the copyright so you can actually generate the views for that. And I'll show you an example of that in the next few videos, how I can easily generate views with a video such as that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna actually, I'm gonna grab one of these keywords right here. So I'll actually grab this keyword. So I'm getting a lot of great keyword ideas, big searches for each of these right here. And these searches will definitely get me ranking very fast for like if I wanted to create a video on it, Deadpool and Wolverine videos, or a Deadpool and Wolverine Cosmic Wonder, that I believe that is somebody that was in the movie. So I could take this keyword right here. I'm sure that this has to do with Marvel. So a lot of people are searching for this big search volume. This could create a cash cow channel for you very, very quickly if you created several videos. So let's just say I wanted to create, let's say, several videos. I highly recommend at least creating 30 videos on one topic. You don't just have to take each of these keywords and create a video for each of these keywords. But what I would do is I would essentially take this keyword right here and I would go to my prompt tool right here, you see. And then basically what I'll do is I will paste this into the prompt tool and I'll generate a prompt. So what will happen is it will create 30 unique YouTube video ideas per Cosmic Wonder, and then I will copy that prompt and I'll click open in ChatGPT. Okay, so it'll open up ChatGPT because ChatGPT is collaborated with the RankBot tool. And then what you can do is essentially paste that prompt in there and press run. And what will happen is it will show you, it will give you 30 videos for that specific idea. Now you're probably asking, how would you actually create videos for this? Well, it's very simple. All you would need to do is essentially you can go to, there's a couple AI softwares that create videos, such as InVideo or Pictory. But what you can do is you can also, hire a team, our team, or go into the offer where you can get the rank bot for a lifetime and get this done for you. Or you can actually create each of these videos right here. So once I have my video ideas on Cosmic Wonder, what I would do is I would click copy, and then I would go and create 5 descriptions for each. So again, what will happen is it will create a prompt right here, and you'll copy that prompt, go into ChatGPT, and then the prompt will essentially create 5 different prompts that 5 different descriptions that you can utilize and then paste into each of those videos. So you don't even have to type anything. I haven't even touched my keyboard. I'm just clicking away. The only time I touched my keyboard was to create the keyword, and that was it. Actually, no, I haven't touched my keyboard at all because I just copied and pasted everything. So the next thing I would do is I would just copy Cosmic Wonder, and then I would paste the keyword to generate 20 tags. Copy and then paste. And then finally, what I would do is I would paste that prompt in here, and then I would have all of the highest ranking tags that I can use. Okay, so the next thing that we will do is, once we have our keyword, let's say we want to take it a little step further. So now that I have my keyword, I have all of the ideas in these tabs you see here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my dashboard. And just by the way, if you're curious about this tab right here called Rank Anything Guide, what it really is basically a strategy guide right here that actually points you in the right direction of ranking each of your videos. Once you have the tool, you'll know how to use this properly. But this guide right here is an interactive guide that shows you exactly what you need to do for each one of your videos. So no matter what, you're gonna rank. Okay, so just to let you know that. So the next thing is, once I have my keyword, let's go into the keyword Trend Hunter and distill that keyword a little bit more. So again, we have the keyword that I wanted was Cosmic Wonder. So I'm going to actually predict some trends with it. It's an AI powered insight tool that will actually find the insights before they start trending. So this actually is an AI powered tool that will find the trends before they actually start to trend, which is absolutely bonkers. There is literally no other tool on the market that does this, and it shows you exactly what's going to trend before it's trending. I can't show this to you too much because this is for high-level clients. If you are interested in becoming a high-level client, the link is in the description, also in the comments. Some of these keywords are very top secret because you can see this is getting 2 million searches. Some of these are getting like 1.8 million searches. These are all up and coming trends. And if you go, the funny thing is, if you go to vidIQ, it only shows you a basis of the trends. It doesn't actually show you exact trends for keywords. This is the only tool on the market that shows you exact trends for the keyword that you put on there. So you can see right here, these are rising trends that you can easily rank for. And right here you see Gambit memes. These are great trends that I can just jump on, start making videos, and receive like 2 million views, 100,000 views. Right here, these are great ideas for me to create videos on if I wanted to jump into any one of these. So as you can see, this is crazy. I'm not going to dive too much into this. I just wanted to kind of scratch the surface to show you what is possible with this tool right here. The next thing that I want to show you is when I go back into my dashboard, is I'm going to show you the long tail keyword rampage mode. Long tail keyword rampage mode essentially is going to show you all of the long tail keywords associated with that keyword right there. So I'm going to put this main keyword in here that is easy to rank for again, and it's going to show me low to high competition long tail keywords that I could utilize for my videos. So as you can see, Russo Brother MCU, these are keywords that I would have never thought of that I can also create videos for if I was in the space of doing Marvel videos, right? So right here you can see all of these keywords are keywords that people are typing for, you know, no competition right here. And you can see this is all green, so 100%. All of these keywords are easy to rank for keywords. If I make videos on each and every one of these, I will rank on the first page of Google. If I want to take a step further, I can see that I can verify, literally verify, that there is no competition for these videos. So with that said, that's the end of the video. If you're interested in grabbing the RankBot tool, the link is in the description, also in the comments. Make sure to subscribe, make sure to like. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Peace.